For normal short float serve, if you are right-handed, left foot in front and ball in left hand. Throw the ball up with your left hand. Hit the back and slightly below the ball with your right hand. Your hit should be like a shock. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments, write it below and I would appreciate it if you like the video. Remember that any techniques requires a lot of practice. For short jump float serve, you should start with left step. The second step right is slightly long, and third step left and short. After the first step, throw the ball up and hit the back and slightly below the ball.